This is really good. Try this, dude. Right? This is garlic. We're going over garlic confit in this video. Garlic confit. Okay, so for this, all you want to do is just take your peeled garlic. This is gonna be a 1-2 process, dude. So check this out. Got a pan. Use either kind of vessel. This is what we use in restaurants. This is called a shallow 6 pan, but I'll just use this cast iron. And look at that, we're already halfway there, dude. So garlic in the pan, and then I'm gonna use some good old rice oil. The oil that you use is actually very important. You don't want to use a very strong tasting oil like olive oil or EVO, stuff like that. You want to use something that's more neutral and has a higher smoke point, because we're going to be cooking this, poaching this in that oil, and it could burn if you use an oil that's like very strong, stringent, low smoke point. So I'm using rice oil. Just gonna pour that in to cover. And if you want, you could also do a container that is larger than what you got in there, so you could do more oil and get like some more garlic oil out of this. Because remember, you can utilize this garlic oil, and also remember to like the video and subscribe. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven. I have it at like 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put a tray below it just in case, because we don't want to burn shit. And then into the oven she goes. I'm just gonna let this go until it gets some nice color on it. No specific timing. We're just gonna kind of check it every 5-10 minutes or so, and we'll go from there. All right, check it out, dude. This is my garlic. You can go darker than this if you want. That's the way I like it. Now we'll just let this chill completely at room temp in the same pan. Okay, it's completely cooled now. This is what we're left with. I'll just store it in a container usually with the oil in there. And there we go. People usually call this garlic confit. It's kind of not a thing. I mean, it's not technically right. A confit usually means that it's cooked in its own fat. So like a duck confit is cooked in its own fat, duck fat. There's no such thing as garlic fat. So technically not garlic confit, but we'll just call it garlic confit. Fuck it, right? So we've got this really nice garlic oil as well, which we can utilize for a salad dressing. And this stuff right here is just good on its own, or you could even like mix it into a hummus or a pasta or whatever. Maybe put on some toast, which we'll do that right now. Might as well, right? Just look how it just smushes in there. You could just spread it evenly. This is why I like this stuff. It's like really like a jammy consistency, really. And then of course this with some sour flake salt, which is coming out soon. Stay tuned for that. Some of that, and you know, maybe some scallion. I don't know. And then you got a good piece of toast right there. It's a good bite. Garlic confit. Smash like, subscribe.